He doesn't know I'm listening. Actually reading the letter at that point, just right now there. So my cousin called me. Okay, cut the call. You're crying?
No.
Oh my god, the best thing.
Smile.
And I'm like, did the braces hurt you?
आज अतिश आणि रिझेलिया देवीक मोग लग्न संस्कारांतल्यान एकामेका सगळे वांटूंक आणि जेवूंक तयार जाल्यात.
He's a very detailed person and I can see that in here. I am a very minimalistic person. I wrote the letter on the invitation card and the invitation card. I sent the invitation card to her, like, you know, to invite for my wedding. Like, you know, that's what I have done. It is simple.
너네 골 들어다.
This is my gown and this is yours. We from friends, they were like for friends. Eventually, we became best friends. And then I told him what I'm feeling for him because I thought it was infatuation and I was supposed to be a nun by the way. Literally.
sexy pose I
I was getting all kind of signals from him. But he's a very shy person. He cannot ask anyone out for that matter. He can't even speak.
कपडे घालपाचे तेका जेन्ना तयार जाता तो खंय वचपाचें आसता ना सगळें मामीन तेका करून दवरूंक जाय. आयनींग करप आनी कितें काडून दिवप कपडे हे घाल आयनींग करप हें तेगे मामीचें काम.
Your kid is finally getting mommy home.
आतां फुडाराक हांव तेगेले आतां मिसेसाक जावचें आसा तेका सदां सांगता पळय हो तुका प्रॉब्लेम आसतलो फुडें.
I treat him like a kid and he calls me his mom because I take care of every little thing.
We had our first kiss at Bat Island, like, you know.
Again, we were in a situationship.
No one knew us back then, like, you know, that we were dating.
I had some water and I was enjoying. I was on cloud nine. And then I was on like water ride and soda and everything. So I went, okay, and I'm like, Atish, where are you? Okay, and we are just right there. Close together. And we just looked at each other. And it just happened. And at that time I was wearing my braces, okay? And then I was like, that was my first time ever, okay? I had no clue at all, like zero clue. I'm like, oh. And I'm like, did the braces hurt you? He's like, no, let me see. And we went for another one.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say.
जालें तेन्ना न्हू आमी दोगांय पयलीं हॅप्पी जाले न्हू. आफ्टर मॅरेज 5 वर्सांनी आफ्टर 5 years तो जल्माक येयलो. सो आमी हॅप्पी जाले सगळीं. पयलीं आंटी आयज ह्या संवसारान ना तें म्हाका वाटेरूच न्यूज दिल्लो बाबा जाला म्हणून. हांव इतलो सारको आय डोंट नो हाव टू एक्सप्रेस दीस फिलिंग्स.
make me sick.
तशी म्हजी माय आसली ती तिच्यान सांगूकूच ना जाता का तिने आखी घरूच आनी आखो वाडो सापडे तकले घेतलो बाबा जो मला
When Atish spoke to her, right, like the first time he introduced me to her, Atish came and said, "This is Rochelle. She's my friend," and I immediately started laughing. Okay, like even when he said, right, she's the friend, I knew. Like as soon as I saw, I knew I had that feeling. So I started smiling a little bit.
I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby.
And the first thing which I noticed about Rochelle, like very ambitious. That's one thing which I can say. Very ambitious, straight to the point. She's very kind person. Like if you call her up at any time, she'll be there for you. And I think both complement each other very well. Atish and Rochelle share that nature. She's very strict with him, but that's a really good quality. He needs someone strict.
I'm the bride for today. I can't believe I'm the bride already. Believe me or not, this is my first guy ever I fell in love with, and surprisingly, magically, I prayed for him and I'm getting married to him today. So today is the feast of innocence. Atish is really very innocent. Like his heart is so pure, and that's why I knew like this is the guy I have to hold on to because I can always stay with him. And also our theme is infinity. So the 8 you turn around becomes an infinity, and we also have a tattoo. So yes, that's my 28th.
He actually met.
For a gay, okay. So he was in a band.
She was hosting.
My 21st birthday, which I was actually going to decline. I didn't want to go for it. But then yes, that's what I just walked in and this guy happened to be there setting up his sound and everything.
First time when I saw her, like I felt a little different. I felt she's the one, but she's actually 6 years younger to me. So I was like, she can't be the one.
So it was only when the party was over and we just sat down for this food. That's when a common friend, she introduced us to each other. My birthday is on 7th Feb and his is on 10th. And he sends me a request on Insta and wishes me happy birthday. So just to wish him back, I wished him on his birthday, and that's how our friendship started. I waited for him for 1 year 6 months, literally. I'm just waiting to meet Atish. This is this for me. It's just extra things. The most important part for me is that I get to be with him. I get to see him. I get to be his, in presence of God.
Or one I already.
Okay.
Because I cried already.
You did?
Yeah, looking so beautiful. Finally.
Finally, yeah.
Damn, no?
Yeah. Okay.
Can I hug you?
Okay.
You wake up with them.
Stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask. How would you feel?
For me, love is very simple. It's sacrifice. We sacrifice a lot for love, and how Jesus has sacrificed his life for us, everyone. I feel that's the biggest definition we can get for love. Zaria is sacrificing a family for me. So the biggest gift for me I can get is love.
One is my mom. I'm feeling sad that I've always been pampered out here. My home. I've been the only girl here. Everybody kind of listens to me. I'm a little queen. And I didn't think that it would be so difficult for me to leave.
Tell me that you love me too.